Hello and welcome to WordPress Tutorials. In today's video, I'll show you how to get gadgets, Amazon's gadgets, and how to import them into your WooCommerce website. For example, currently I search for gadgets electronics and these two are sponsored, so we will not get these. Otherwise, all these other things which are fun toys, some gadgets, some useful things, and we will import them to our WooCommerce WordPress website. So let's see how it works. First of all, you will search for something you want to import, and then after that the result comes up. And if you want to search for a specific filter, for example 4-star and up, then just click on 4-star and up and you will get more refined search, leaving the sponsored ones, but these are. So let's say we are getting these. So for this, first of all, you will need a Chrome extension, a Google Chrome extension called webscraper.io. So let me show you and where you can install the script. This is the link from where you will need this script. I'll include this link in the description. So here you will need to download this sitemap from here. If you click this and it doesn't download, then we'll right click this and open in a new tab, and then this zip will be downloaded. But let me just show you the process by opening Google Chrome first. So first of all, go to Google Chrome and click here on extensions. Click on manage extensions, or just click here and tools and click on extensions, manage extensions. Okay, click on visit Chrome store and search for webscraper.io and press enter. You will get this one. Open this and here you will see a button, add to Chrome. I already added this because you can see this icon here. This is already installed on my Google Chrome. Okay, now close all of these things and let's just copy this URL and open it within your Google Chrome browser. Okay, now the next thing you have to do is right click, click on inspect element, and make sure this inspect element is dock to bottom. If you cannot see it like this and it is like this, as the first time you open this, it looks something like this. So just click on these three dots and click on dock to bottom. Then you will see a new tab called Web Scraper. This Web Scraper tab is because we already installed this extension. So click on Web Scraper and click on create new and import sitemap. Now here you will need a sitemap code which is on this website. Open self. Let me zoom in a bit so you can see clearly. Type selfstudyhelp.com and press enter to open it. On this side, you will see this post right away here, but if not, then just search for Amazon too or Amazon. Just search for Amazon. And open this post. Scroll down to this section which says download sitemap. Right click and click on open in new tab and you will have a zip file downloaded. Download this file and open it if you already have a zip installer. Okay, there is a text file. Open it and click in the text file, right, control plus A, or click on right click and click on select all and copy this and go to Google Chrome and paste that script here. Name it, let me name it 111 underscore Amazon underscore gadgets. I have multiple sitemaps here, that is why I am naming it unique way. Okay, we have the sitemap ready. Now the next thing you have to do is to click here and click on edit metadata and remove this link. Copy the link from the browser and paste it here. Okay, if you want to scrap the second page as well, then scroll down and click on the page 2 link here and copy this link as well. And add it here. Similarly, if you want to do more pages, just click on to page 3, 4, 5 and add them here respectively. Click on save sitemap and now click here and start scrapping. This will take a couple of minutes or maybe 4 to 5 minutes to complete. So just wait for it and do not close this browser. Once this is done, I'll show you how you can download the CSV and then how you can refine that CSV into multiple images and multiple categories as well. Please remember that right away from this CSV you will not have any image links or any category separated. First you will have to refine that within this website, which I already showed you on this post. You downloaded the sitemap, you added that sitemap there, and then you will have to refine that CSV within this site, and then you will have this beautiful WooCommerce CSV in the result. But let's just wait for this to be completed. I'm pausing this video and will be back in a couple of seconds. But actually it will be some minutes because this will take a while. Okay, now when the scrapping is finished, we can just download the CSV. So click here. That window will automatically be closed. So we have the main browser now. Click on export data and you have two options. One is .xlsx or .csv. So CSV is basically the type of format that you will have to upload to WooCommerce or Amazon or Shopify or whichever you want. So we are specifically building a WooCommerce type CSV. So let's just download the CSV. Okay, here's the CSV. Save it somewhere on your desktop. Let me open the folder where I saved it or downloaded it. This is within our downloads folder. Now open that self-study help page where you downloaded that sitemap. Scroll down here and here is the browse button. Let's click on browse, go to the downloads folder and choose that CSV which we just downloaded and click on convert to CSV WooCommerce. It will process the CSV. If I show you the current CSV, then it's just a plain CSV with no fields mentioned. If we open this, you can see that images have just a JSON format data which is not usable. Categories are here, but the main category should be from the parent-child relation. So we have also two price fields where these are missing. There is these prices missing. So to combine all these things, you have to refine that CSV and use this to refine that CSV, and it will again give you the result. So when you save the CSV from this website, it will separate all the image links and all the prices accurate to according to all these products. So then you can upload that CSV which is usable to WooCommerce. Then you can use that to import products to your WooCommerce website or anywhere you want. If you just want this Excel file or the CSV file, then you can just save it as XLSX and you will have what you want. So this was all for today's video. I hope you learned something. Please give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. You will not miss my future videos. Thank you.